the alarm clock of a rescuer. This was going on at 6. I fed him. It went on a little more, gave him a bone, went on a little more. He's very scared and sad and lonely, so he's crying. He's still itching. I just snuck some more Benadryl into his breakfast. I really can't touch him too much because he might have scabies. He definitely has mange. So I have to be careful how much I handle him. I have gloves but maybe I'll try and put a little bit more spray on his itchy spots. Tomorrow morning he goes to the vet, so I'll have more proper treatment for him, for everything that's wrong with him. We just don't know. I know, baby. I know, baby. Yes, you're a good baby.